Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making honey barbecue wings. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your chicken wings have been thoroughly washed and patted dry. Add the olive oil to the bowl, then mix until each wing has been well coated. Now season the wings with your salt, black pepper, and paprika, and mix until each piece has been well coated. To make your sauce, in a separate bowl, combine your barbecue sauce, honey, and soy sauce, then mix until well combined. Add your wings to a wire rack, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow them to bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove your wings from the oven, then generously coat with your sauce. Return the wings to the oven and allow them to cook for an additional 20 minutes. Remove your wings from the oven again, then apply additional sauce. Increase your oven temperature to 425 degrees, then return your chicken to the oven and allow it to cook for a final 20 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making